Welcome to this video presentation, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, presented by FFR Trading. In this series, we'll equip you with practical trading and investing knowledge while helping you to avoid the many pitfalls and mistakes many traders and investors make. In this week's video, we'll talk about why legitimate strategies fail. But first, let me introduce you to who we are here at FFR Trading and what our role is. FFR Trading is a due diligence firm for various investment and trading services. We've worked with dozens of traders in all markets, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex. In a nutshell, we've uncovered the mistakes so many people make when considering trading or investing strategies. Our goal is to find solid investment and trading opportunities that we can pass along to you. We hope that this video can help you avoid some of the pitfalls many investors fall into and help provide a primer on the markets, though not a comprehensive thesis on the subject. For advanced education on the markets, we'll discuss the unlimited literature available on specific topics. Chapter 5. Why Legitimate Strategies Fail. Even seasoned traders and legitimate trading systems can fail despite every precaution. Here are a few reasons why. First, seasonality. Trading systems are often designed for a certain kind of market, maybe trending or sideways. When a trending market changes to a sideways market, a trend-following system starts to fail. When a sideways market starts to trend, then the sideways systems fail. If a trader or system manager doesn't act quickly enough, a trading account can be wiped out. Second, economic news or global events. Catastrophic events can wipe out traders and investors who are in the markets. A tsunami, act of terrorism, extreme drought, death of a world leader, or resignation of a company's CEO can all cause severe swings in the market. Extreme events are often referred to as black swan events, since they are so rare. Next, technology failures. Sometimes something as simple as a software failure or a computer virus can cause havoc within a trading system. Trading losses then accumulate through no fault of the trader's system. Laziness. Lazy traders and money managers may fail to adapt their systems to the ever-changing markets. If they don't change their strategies to fit the new market landscape or new rules and regulations, losses will occur. And finally, arrogance. Emotions can get the best of people. When arrogance takes hold of otherwise objective investment gurus, watch out. Newly successful traders can become unteachable and start overtrading. Even worse, they develop a Superman complex and think they're impervious to severe losses. An important rule of thumb to remember is that if you aren't humble when approaching the markets will humble you. In the grand scheme of things, you're making educated decisions based on the data. However, if there's anything history has taught us, it's that occasionally, not even the best data can be an accurate determiner of what will occur. Stay humble and aware, and you'll increase your chances of success. In conclusion, know that there is still money to be made in the markets. Take it slow. Find strategies that match your unique personality. If possible, work with a trading team or at least one other person. They'll be able to see your blind spots when you can't. Above all, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. At the end of the day, it's only money. Your family, friends, and your health matter most. Aim for a balanced life. If you aren't getting some enjoyment out of trading or investing, then chances are you might be in the wrong profession. Thanks for joining us. We hope this video has helped you on your journey to success in the markets. If you would like to obtain your own copy of our book, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, email us at support@ffrtrading.com.